Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that time lapse of me scarifying my front yard. This is one project I'm doing my front yard. Still using the Scarify machine. I've used it, this is probably the 6th or 7th time I use this, and still have several more passes to go before I get it ready for the real cartridge. It did get a lot. You can see here a lot of debris out, a few weeds. See the weeds, little pine needles, some rocks. You see small rocks in here, but did pretty good. This is probably I believe it's the 3rd time I've cut it on this setting, so it's not very much this time. Last time I was dumping my Allett box every 60 feet on the very first time. You can see in there it's got some rocks in it. Way back there in the back, some sand it threw up in there. But overall it's done a great job. As you can see, walk around. Just pulling up some, as you can see some stolons here, it's pulling up. But all that's part of training the grass to get lower, spread lower, get thicken up. And this is first time of actually working in the yard. My kids told me this is the first time they played football or played frisbee in a weed-free yard, but overall it's looking good. It's a little thin now, but we're getting there. Today I'm gonna put some LawnStar products on it. I've decided to do my front yard using PGF Complete Granular and using for a liquid supplement. I'm gonna start off doing some Soil Aerator. I believe you saw on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I did some root hume concentrate on it already. Threw this in, little humates and seaweed complex. Ooh, this stuff smells. And then of course I've got some liquid iron to use. Well, that should green it up. Won't use it today. Today I'm thinking I'm gonna do some Soil Aerator. Okay guys, I've got my product ready. Got my handy dandy little map here. And if you look closely in my front yard, the part we're working on right now, basically renovating this top section with the Allet. This is my first project. Second project is going to be back here, a subsection of F. But this section, I just did a quick measurement of it. It's about 35 to 3750 square feet. So we're going to measure our product, get loaded up. We're going to use a hose end sprayer. It's really simple, quick, and waters it in good. And we're also expecting 100% chance of rain tomorrow for probably 4 hours time frame. So we hope we get that. So let's measure up and pour it in here and get spraying. First, let's get our Soil Aerator. Let's look at our usage and instructions back here. It says we're going to use a hose end sprayer. It says pour LawnStar liquid Soil Aerator into hose end sprayer bottle. Set sprayer to 1 ounce. Evenly apply 1 ounce concentrate per 1,000 square feet of lawn, and then water lawn for 20-30 minutes after application. Which got a lot of rain expected tomorrow, so it should water it in good. I'll probably go over it with just water after I apply it. Let it start soaking in good, and we have, well, I'd say I can go with 3,500 square feet, so we need 3.5 ounces of the Soil Aerator. Shake it up good. As with every product, it settles in the bottom. Okay, we got a good mix there. Do 3.5 ounces. 1, 2, 3.5. There we go. Now you have to walk fast and cover the entire area and go with 1 bottle. This is the second time I've done this, so it should. So I've got my walk pattern down pretty good. Cover the whole area. I'll just stick with this, and probably next week I'm gonna do some more root hume and then throw in some of this humates plus seaweed complex. I may pour in a little liquid iron today just to see if it greens it up a tad, because it's about half dormant Bermuda, as you saw earlier in the videos. Got a little green to it, but just for grins. And also, if you saw my soil test, I'm extremely low on iron. Really like this little sprayer. Got this off Amazon, and I'll include a link to this, actually to a link to a webpage on my website, sunnybermuda.com, and you'll be able to find this on Amazon. A link to it on Amazon, along with some products from LawnStar. And I love this water hose. Check this out. It's not a rubber water hose. This came from Costco, actually. It's a 5/8 inch water hose. Around about $30, I believe. 75 feet. Well, let's get to spraying. Check the bottle. Yep, right there at the very bottom. So, we spaced it out pretty good. We covered all 3,500 square feet pretty evenly, I have to say. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time.